I want to show you something I actually showed some of our staff at work today, and that is how to protect a sheet in Google Sheets. And so, to protect a sheet means to do one of two things. We're either trying to warn a user before they make an edit to a sheet, or we're actually restricting that user so that they cannot edit a whole sheet or part of that sheet. And so, I'll show you all those methods right now. So to get started, we either want to click Data and then Protect Sheets and Ranges, or we can right-click one of the tabs and click Protect Sheet. That'll bring up this pop-up on the right, and I have the Swift sheet selected, but I can switch to Kelsey or Mahomes if I want. And then I'm going to click Set Permissions. And when I do that, let's start with the warning message. We'll click Show a Warning and then Done. And then now when any of the people with access to this sheet attempt to edit it, they'll get a little pop-up that says, hey, are you sure you want to do this? And right now, I don't want to do this. So I'm going to click Cancel. But if I go back, I can also just actually stop someone from editing it. And so I'm going to stop Gabe and Technology from editing this sheet. And it's just the Swift sheet, and you can tell that because it has the lock on it. And that just means that there is some form of protection on that tab. And so if I switch to Gabe and Technology and I attempt to edit the Swift tab, I promise I'm typing, but it won't let me edit it. And so if I switch back, I don't have to do a whole sheet. I can actually get rid of this and we'll start fresh. So I can actually pick a range, right? And so let's say I want to, as this already has a set, I want to do it just for A1. And so I'm going to say that Gabe and Technology cannot edit A1, but he can edit the rest of the sheet. So we'll do Done. And so now on the Swift tab, I can edit here, but I cannot edit A1. And it's going to tell me, oh, can't do that. And so those are ways of protecting it. Again, just like you saw on the single sheet, how there's parts that I could edit and parts that I couldn't. When I lock a whole tab, I can still edit the other two tabs. And so you can think of how you might use that with users as maybe you only want them working on one of the tabs and not the others, only want them working on part of the spreadsheet and not the other part. And so that is where Protect Sheets comes in handy. I hope you find that beneficial. I hope you find it useful. If you have any thoughts or questions, please let me know. Please comment, please email, and I'll be happy to reach out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.